Hello everyone. OBS is a completely free recording and streaming software. Every YouTuber, streamer, and even teachers use it because it is completely free. In the next 8 minutes, I will show you exactly how to install it and set it up. So let's get right into it. First, you are going to open your browser and you are going to write OBS, and then you are going to open this obsproject.com. And depending on your operating system, you are going to download any of the three one. Since I am on Windows and most of you will be on Windows, so you will be clicking on Windows. Start download and wait for it to download. Once your download is completed, you are going to open the setup you just downloaded. This is how the setup should look like. Click on next. Since I am already running OBS to record for this video, I will not install it, but installing it is relatively a straightforward process. So if you encounter any problems, let me know in the comment section. Once you have installed OBS, it's time to open it. You're going to click on the icon created on your desktop. If you don't have the icon, just click on the search bar and write OBS and open this one. A window like this will open for you. Don't be intimidated by all these buttons and everything. During installations, if it asks for anything, just cancel it and proceed to install it. I will show you exactly how to set it up. It doesn't matter how you install it. Once this screen is opened, you are going to click on Tools and then you are going to click on Auto Configuration Wizard. Now, if you are planning to use this software for streaming, such as YouTube streams or Twitch streams, you are going to click on Optimize for Streaming. But if you just want to record tutorials like me or your gameplay, then you are going to click on Optimize just for recording. Once that is done, your OBS is set up, but there are still few things you need to configure. First, you are going to create a scene by clicking on this plus button and name your scene anything. For example, gameplay scene. Once you have the gameplay scene, now this scene will be used to capture your gameplay or game applications. Now you are going to add a source in this scene. So click on plus icon in the source section and click on game capture. Click on OK. Once you have added the game capture, now you can either select capture any full screen application or you can capture a specific window. What capture any full screen application does is that if you open your game, it will automatically capture it. But for some reasons, if you run your game in windowed mode, this option will not capture it. For this reason, you will have to use capture specific window, and in here you're going to select the exe of the game. Since I am not running any game, I cannot see. But if you run your game, it will be visible here. So that is set. Now another thing. If you want your webcam to work alongside your recordings, in the same scene, you are going to add your video capture device. You're going to click on OK, and then you are going to select the camera. Now I have a laptop, so I will just select integrated webcam and click on OK. And then I'm going to set my camera. to a suitable position. If you want it on the top left corner, in the top right corner, it is up to you. Once you have set it up, just leave it right there and start recording your window. I have put my finger on the webcam because I don't want to show my face. That is why my camera is not visible. I can show you something, you see? So that means it's working. Now I'm going to delete this so I can remove my finger. Okay. Now if you want to capture your whole screen without being limited to games, you're going to make a new scene and just call it full screen capture. And in this scene you are going to add your display capture. Then you are going to click on this one, this display capture, and you can see that there is a display option. You are going to click on it and select your monitor, and here it is. Now if you want to attach your webcam to this recording, you are going to click on plus, and the same thing like I did in the gameplay option. Click on OK. Your webcam adjust the position, and there you are good to go. Once you have this, the next step is to make sure your videos have your audio, your mic input as well. Now there are two ways to achieve this goal. The first one is the global settings. Now most of you will be using the global settings because you don't want to complicate things for yourself. But if you want to keep a separate mic for recording and a separate mic for something else, like for gaming or stuff like that, then you are going to use a source as well. But first, I will tell you how to set up your global mic so that it is usable anywhere. In the audio mixer options, you will see a mic and an aux button. Now you are going to click on this and click on properties. Now it will ask you which mic do you want to use. For me, I am using the microphone USB device and I'm going to let it stay like that. So I have used this and you're going to click on OK. But if you want to use a different mic, then you are going to click on plus in the scenes you want to use it in, and then you are going to add a audio input capture source. Name it anything, for example audio input capture, and then it is going to ask you which microphone you want to use. After that, it should be ready to go. Now you will want to use a something like push to talk. Now let's go to settings, go to hotkeys and scroll down. Here it is. You are going to put a specific key. Like for me, I don't use push to talk. Since I have a sensitive mic, it captures only my voice. But if you want to use push to talk, you can set any key here and it will be used for your push to talk things. Now another key for the mic, sorry, you are going to set it here, not in this section. For the microphone, you are going to set it in mic and aux settings. Either push to talk, either push to mute. It's up to you. Now we are going to scroll up and we are going to set some important keys like stop recording and start recording. For me, it's left button and the numpad 5. The left is essentially numpad 4, but I don't know, for some reason it shows as left. Now if you want to stream, you're going to do the same with the stream as well. Now once this is set, you're going to click on general and sorry, not general, output. You're going to go to output, and then you are going to be needing to set a recording path, so your videos get saved to a special place and it doesn't just go anywhere. So you're going to click on browse button, just go to the drive you want to save your videos in and make a folder. For example, for me it's recording, and click on select folder. Now once it is set, it will set your recording to that particular directory only. For the streaming, if you want to stream with the OBS software, you're going to click on stream, and if it's your Twitch account, you're going to click on Twitch, and then you're going to connect your account. Once you connect your account, click on connect account. It will ask you for your username and password. Just go ahead with this thing, and once you have logged in, it will be connected. Then you can just stream. Same thing is for YouTube. You can just connect your account, and if this is a problem, you can just use stream key and click on get stream key. It will open your YouTube. Click on stream, click on this stream key and create a new stream key. Just name it something like OBS, anything you want. Make sure it is set to RTMP and click on create. Once it is created, you're going to click here again, click on this, and then click on copy. Then open your OBS software and put your stream key here. Once you click on connect account, so you don't need to click on connect account. Once you have done this, it will be applied. So once you have applied it, just log in with your uh, email that is associated with your YouTube account, and it will set up the stream for you. The next step is to show you example. I have set this up, then I'm going to click on recording, or just press your key that you have set for the recording. I'm going to click start recording. Hello, this is a test. I want to show my YouTube. Then I'm going to click on stop recording. Then I'm going to open the path where that recording is supposed to be. Recording. Hello, this is a test. I want to show my YouTube. It Since you can see it is the same video that we have just recorded. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have any other question, make sure to ask me in the comment section. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.